How to use Paysafecard. So this is what it looks like, and it's very easy to use this one. All you have to do is to simply create an account by just going to any web browser and then type Paysafecard. Now here you have to enter information like your country, and then also it needs your email address and your password after that. It also needs email verification, so go to your email address and verify your account. And then after that, tap next. It needs your personal information like your name, last name, and you need to input your mobile number, tap next, and that's it. Now you can go back to your PaySafe card, and actually, tons of people are using this because for them, it's the easiest way to pay, buy, and transact, especially online transaction. So if you scroll down here, you will see the information about how to use and what is the space safeguard all about. As you can see, you need 16-digit code in order for you to transact. So if you want to know like where you can buy or use this one, okay, so buy a pay safeguard here, you can find outlets where you can use this one. All you have to do is to enter the address, a city, and then click this find outlets right here. And then there you will have an idea on where or what shop or store you can use this pay safeguard. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you're living in this area, then you would know where to use this one here or what shop or store you can use this pay safeguard. Another thing is that in order for you to use this, you must have your 16-digit code because this is the most important thing that you have in order for it to transact. If you want to know where can you use it, then you just have to click this where can you use it button and you will see your top online shops where you can use the space safeguard. For example, if you want to purchase a game here on Steam, okay, let me open my Steam first. You have to purchase the game, purchase for yourself or as a gift. Okay, and then after that, if you are on this payment method, you should see the Pay Safeguard as one of the options right here if this one is available in your country. If not, you can click the wallet, okay, pay via wallet. And then what you're going to do is to enter that 16-digit code here. And if they will ask for information like your name, country, and so on, all you have to do is to enter that one. And then after that, tap continue. And then there, you have already purchased that game. So all you have to do is to get and know your 16-digit code in order for you to transact. Okay, and that's it. That's how easy it is to use the space safeguard. All you have to do is to create an account and have a 16-digit code and then buy and spend via online with Pay Safeguard. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.